Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, for those of you who might have noticed that my icon on the channel has changed to a Clippy, the old Microsoft Clippy avatar helper guy. Many of you probably already know that that's in reference to Louis Rossman's call to arms for all of us to try to help him out. If you don't know, it's my support for him and the push for both right to repair and even more so right to own the things you pay for. We're in a critical time now, and I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to his video. Highly recommend you watch it if you're not familiar, where he lays out the issues. But basically, we're in this critical time period where companies have got to the point they don't believe we own anything that we buy. It's theirs. We're paying them money just to use it, and they can tell us how to use it and what to do with it, and then we can't repair it. They also, many of them are acting more like ransomware. You buy something, and then I'll let you watch his video to get the full story. He's going to do a lot better than I could. But you buy something like a camera, and it doesn't even let you use it until you register with them, give them all your private information for them to harvest, and then they'll allow you to use the camera you paid for. And so it's got so bad. Everything is being built not to be repaired anymore. They're not only not giving you information to work on things, but they're also literally making it as impossible as they can for you not to be able to work on it. Sometimes you sign away your rights to work on things in some of the EULA agreements with some of this stuff. So, that doesn't bode well for people like me who like to fix things and repair things and keep old things working. It's very wasteful to throw a lot of very good things that have some minor little switch that's bad or something, have to throw it away and buy a new one. But even more so with what they're doing, they're tying all of their stuff to cloud servers, things that don't need to be on cloud servers, and making it so that after you've had it, you pay for it, there's no fees or anything. Either they do away with the servers so it doesn't work anymore and make you buy a new version, or they come out years later and say, you know what, from now on, if you want to continue to use the product you paid for and we're guaranteed it would work, you've got to pay us a fee every month to have it access our servers and authorize you to use your own product. So it's a mess. So anyway, go check out Louis Rossman's video if you haven't seen it. There's a lot of us doing this. Louis will explain it in the video if you want to watch Why Clippy. It's a good movement. Hey, thanks for giving me a few minutes to kind of fill you in on that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.